Have you ever wondered why India, a country known for its rich culture and diversity, also bears the reputation of having scorching hot weather? Is it merely geographical location, or is there more to this fiery puzzle? Today we delve into this mystery, turning the pages of geography and meteorology to decipher the enigma of India's sizzling temperatures. So fasten your mental seatbelts and prepare yourself for a riveting journey into the heart of India's climate. Stay tuned as we unfold the reasons behind India's blazing temperatures. The first clue to understand this enigma lies in India's geographical position. India, a land of diverse landscapes and cultures, is nestled in the southern part of Asia. Its unique location just above the equator is a significant factor contributing to its high temperatures. Now, you might be wondering, what has the equator got to do with heat? Well, regions near the equator receive more direct sunlight than those farther away. This direct sunlight results in intense heat, especially during the peak summer months. But that's not the only geographical aspect at play here. The Tropic of Cancer, an imaginary line that circles the globe, passes right through the center of India. This line marks the northernmost point where the sun is directly overhead at noon. As a result, India experiences longer daylight hours and shorter nights, especially during the summer. More daylight hours mean more time for the sun to heat the land, leading to increased temperatures. These geographical factors, combined with local climatic conditions, create a climate that is not just hot, but also incredibly diverse. From the scorching deserts of Rajasthan to the humid plains of West Bengal, the heat manifests in different ways across the country. So, the geography of India plays a significant role in its hot weather, but there's more to the story. And as we delve deeper into this mystery, we will discover how other unique factors contribute to this phenomenon. So stay tuned as we continue to unravel the secrets behind India's sweltering weather. The Thar Desert, the world's 17th largest desert located in India, plays a pivotal role in the country's weather. This vast expanse of barren sand and scorching sun is not just a geographical feature, but a significant influencer of the climatic conditions of the subcontinent. The Thar Desert has a unique characteristic. It heats up quickly and cools down just as rapidly. Now imagine this, a massive stretch of land soaking up the sun's rays throughout the day, turning into a colossal radiator spreading its warmth to the surrounding atmosphere. The air above the desert heats, rises, and creates an area of low pressure. This low-pressure area draws in air from the surrounding regions, which also warms up, continuing the cycle and keeping the temperatures high. But it's not just the desert that's playing a part here. Enter the western disturbances. These are weather phenomena originating from the Mediterranean region that traverse eastwards towards India. During winters, they bring in their wake much-needed relief, precipitating as rain and snow in northern parts of the country. However, when summer rolls around, it's a different story. The western disturbances carry with them warm, moist air. When this air hits the already heated land, it exacerbates the heat, making the summers intense and sometimes unbearable. The interaction between the Thar Desert's heat and the western disturbances creates a unique weather pattern, contributing to the sweltering Indian summers. So we have the Thar Desert, a natural solar panel rapidly heating and influencing the surrounding air temperature. Then we have the western disturbances, bringing relief during winters but adding fuel to the fire in the summers. Together, they play a critical role in shaping India's weather, making it as diverse and extreme as the country itself. The Thar Desert and western disturbances, another piece of the puzzle, but there's still more to uncover. Monsoons and the Himalayas, two contrasting elements, also play a part in shaping India's weather. The monsoons, like a dramatic character in a play, make a grand entrance. They sweep across the nation, carrying with them a deluge of rain and a sigh of relief from the scorching heat. But don't be fooled, for they also bring with them an accomplice: humidity. Imagine wearing a woolen coat on a sunny day. Uncomfortable, isn't it? That's what high humidity feels like. It traps the heat, making the air feel warmer than it actually is. This invisible woolen coat, this humidity, is a gift of the monsoons. Now let's turn our gaze to the north towards the towering and majestic Himalayas. These icy peaks, while breathtakingly beautiful, play a deceptively warm role in India's weather narrative. The Himalayas act like a formidable wall, a barrier, if you will, that prevent the cold winds from the north from reaching the Indian subcontinent. Just picture this. The cold winds arrive, ready to sweep across the land, bringing with them a chilling respite, but they are stopped in their tracks by the mighty Himalayas. Unable to cross this natural barricade, they retreat, leaving India to the mercy of the relentless heat. So you see, the monsoons and the Himalayas, while seemingly contrasting, work together in this grand play of nature. The monsoons bring the rain and the humidity, the Himalayas block the cold winds. Together they contribute to the intense heat that India experiences. And yet there's more to this story. The weather, much like a well-written mystery, has many layers and unexpected twists. The monsoons and the mighty Himalayas, they too contribute to the heat, but the mystery doesn't end here. So, what makes India so hot? It's a combination of intriguing factors. As we've journeyed through this exploration, we've unveiled the truth behind India's sweltering climate. The geographical position of India, straddling the equator, plays a significant role, soaking the country in abundant sunlight and heat throughout the year. Then there's the Thar Desert, whose hot, dry winds fan the flames of India's scorching summers. This is further complicated by the western disturbances, which, rather than cooling the region, actually increase the temperature. The monsoons, despite being a relief, contribute to the overall humidity, making the heat feel more intense. And let's not forget the Himalayas, those majestic mountains that act as a barrier, preventing the cold winds from the north from reaching the Indian mainland. India's weather is a complex interplay of these factors, resulting in the country's well-known hot climate. In the end, it's not just one factor, but a mysterious combination that makes India so hot.